Hey guys, this is Irving with CEMB USA, and today we're going to be going over the ER75 wheel balancer and going through some of the features, the benefits, and how to use it. Okay, we're going to start by grabbing our wheel and throwing it on our balancer. Okay, so today we'll be balancing our wheel using our adjustable finger plate adapter, which looks like this right here. So as you can see, easily opens and closes to find your bolt pattern. Also configurable to different number of spokes. These pins also easily come on and off to make room for the larger pins for your different size wheels. Okay guys, now why would you use one of these adapters? Well, using one of these helps center the wheel properly on the wheel balancer, thus creating a better balance. Okay, so now we'll input our dimensions of our wheel assembly. Now this is a 3D machine, so what that means is it's going to take distance, diameter, and width for us. So all we're going to do now is pull our arm out, take our two readings. Okay, close our wheel guard so our sonar takes our third dimension. Okay, so now we have our readings, and as you can see, our new auto-adaptive one-plane balancing software kicks in, and all we do now is rotate our wheel until we're in position. Okay guys, now that our wheel is balanced, what we're going to do is using our HubMatch software, just rotate the wheel until the dot lines up with the arrow, and then just take our chalk and strike a line at 12 o'clock and mount it back on the vehicle at 12 o'clock, top dead center.